What's up everyone? Hope you're doing fine. Welcome to another how-to video. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Apple ID or your iCloud on iPhone. So first of all, you're gonna go to your settings, and on top you can see your profile badge. You're gonna press on that, and now I have these two phones linked to my iCloud, so I can sign out of it. And once I press that, it's gonna ask me to enter my Apple ID password. Now actually I quite honestly don't even remember my Apple ID password, and even if I did, typing it out here would just give it away, so I'm not doing that. So what happens when you enter your password here is basically your Find My iPhone option first gets turned off, and then it gives you a disclaimer that if you do this, if you remove this ID, or if you sign out of here, basically only photos, images that are synced on this iPhone through this Apple ID would be deleted. And of course they are accessible again once you log in, or if you're trying to access them through the cloud. But essentially, that's pretty much what happens once you sign out of your Apple ID. So if you have some data that would only be available on your iCloud, but you definitely need it on this phone, you'll have to arrange some way to store it on this iPhone. So right now, I have two of my phones here. So basically, if I sign out of the other phone, and basically if I sign out of my ID here, then the data that is coming from this iPhone would be gone as well. So you need to make sure that all your data is available that you might need, and then only you should log out of your Apple ID. So that is pretty much all you need to know about how to log out of your Apple ID. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.